If you want to check system update in Thomson Smart LED TV, at the first you have to click on the settings icon on your remote control. Next you have to scroll down to the support. Go for the software update, click OK, and you have to choose how you can get this update. So by network or by USB. I'm gonna select by network because I'm connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now we have to wait, and as you can see in my case, my software version is up to date, so I cannot get the new one because it's not available. But if you are out of date, you will be able to get the new update. So you have to basically click OK and follow the steps that you see on this notification. It will be very simple. You have to just click OK to download, and after that you have to turn off. When the download will be finished, you have to turn off your TV, turn it on back, and everything will be fine. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.